Good morning, my sweet students of grade 1. Welcome to a new day of the week. And which day is this actually? Which day of the week is this? Today is Wednesday and day today is the third day of week 6, right? Now we are doing week 6 now, right? So we have done so many weeks. We have learned so many different things about this week, right? About so many weeks. We have learned so many things in literacy. We have learned so many things in science, in different subjects you are learning. You are learning in your Edworld school, right? Which is an online school, right? Yes. And I hope you all are also watching your Edworld videos and you are also liking those videos so that once you will like, they will be saved for you. Yes. That's very nice. Very good. Keep watching videos, like them so that you will learn something from them because there are so many videos on different topics, right? It's going to help you in learning, in increasing your vocabulary, in increasing your knowledge, right? So do watch them. All right? Great. And tell me, children, how are you feeling today? Good? Did you had your breakfast? Are your tummies full? Good, because your tummy should be full. You should have good breakfast, healthy breakfast, so that whatever you are doing in that particular day is you are feeling active, you are feeling fresh, right? And especially in the morning when you are attending your classes, you all should be fresh, nice, and healthy, right? So that you can understand what we are doing, what the teacher is explaining you, what you are learning in different subjects. Yes, children? Great job. Very good. I'm so happy. All right, let's start your lesson with a short game. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say one word, and you have to say another word that starts with the last letter of that word, right? I won't be saying any difficult word because I know you are small little babies, small children. You don't know those big words, or you don't know how to spell words. So I'll start with a three-letter word, and you have to check out what is the last letter of that word, and you have to say another word. Okay? All right? Okay. Now, first, my word is very easy, a hat. Now, H-A-T, hat. And what is the last letter? T. Okay, now you have to tell me another word that starts with the last letter, that is T. Come on, quickly. It's a game. You have to be fast. A top. Very good. Good job. Top. T-O-P, top. Okay. Now, top ends with a P. Great. All right, Ali, come on. So give me another word that starts with a P. A pencil. Wow, great. A pencil. Pencil. Another word with L. Lollipop. Great job. Again, it ends with a P. Another word with P. A parrot. Great. Very good. Parrot. Again, the word is T. Another word, a table. Wow, great. Table. Table. Now, it ends with a E. Okay, come on. Another word with E. And egg. Wow, great. And egg. Now, E-double-G, egg. It ends with a G. Come on, another word with G. A goat. Wow, great job. The game is ended now. You have done a great job, my children. Wow, that's very good. Great. That means you know different words and how they spell, and how to make another word with different letters, right? Great job. Okay. Now, what did we learn yesterday in the class? Anybody can tell me what was the topic that we did? use of dictionaries, right? All right. Did you find dictionaries at home? Have you started? Have you looked for any dictionary at home? Did you ask your mom, your dad, or your brothers and sisters? Yes, great job. And were you able to do the homework? Yes. Wow, that's so nice. Great. Okay. Now, today what we are going to learn is very, very important, and because it's going to help you in your writing and in your reading. It's again part of grammar also, but it included in literacy. That is very important. Without this, the your literacy work is not complete. It is very, very difficult. Okay, but I'm not going to tell you what we are going to learn just now, right now, but I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you few sentences. Okay, and you have to read those sentences. Okay, now come on, can you read this sentence? Can you read it, class? What is written? What do you like to eat? Is it clear? It's difficult, right? It's difficult to read. Okay. What about this sentence? Can you read this sentence? It says, I like wild animals. Is it easy to read? No, it's not. Okay. All right. Okay. Another sentence. Is it easy to read? No, it's not. It's very difficult. What is there that makes it difficult? Why this sentence is difficult, children? Why? Why these sentences are difficult to read? Because they are mixed up, right? These sentences are mixed up. There is no space given in between the words, right? Okay. Now, what about now? Tell me this one. Is it easy to read? Yes. So what does the sentence says? What do you like to eat? So you can read it easily. Wow, very good. Okay. Now again, this sentence, is it easy to read? I like wild animals. Now is it easy? Yes, now it's easy. Okay. Now what about this sentence? A toy kite flies in the air. So is it easy? Is it easy or is it difficult to read? It's easy to read. Now why is it easy to read? Because after each word there are spaces. There is a space given after each word. That means that whenever we are writing something, we have to give space after each word so that it becomes easy to read and to understand. Like Like in this word, the difference between these two sentences you can easily see. This one is difficult to read, but this one is easy to read. Why? Because in this sentence there are no spaces given, but in this the space is given. So spacing is very, very important in literacy, in writing literacy, in reading literacy. If it is not, if we don't give spaces in between after each word, then it becomes very difficult for us to read the sentence, to understand the sentence, right? So our basic topic, the main thing which was I wanted to explain it to you was to give space after each word. And you must have learned this thing in your kindergarten, that when you are writing anything, you have to give one finger distance, right? You always give one finger distance when you are writing. This might have been taught to you by your kindergarten teachers, right? That when you write I love this, I love to play, you will write I, then you will take your finger distance, then you will write love, and then again finger distance, then write to, then again finger distance, and then write play, right? So this is very, very important for you. Okay, right? Have you understood what I was explaining to you? to give spaces after writing each word. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you, you will tell me some sentences and I'm going to write them on my whiteboard over here, and then we will see what is the, are the sentences correct or not. Okay. All right, let's start. Okay, now this was the sentence I love to sing. Can you read the sentence? Is it correct or is it not? It's not correct. You are unable to read. Why? Because I have not given spaces after each word, right? And what else? Are they all correct? Everything else is correct in the sentence. I love to sing. No, because I is not written with capital letter. I love I love to sing. Is it correct now? Yes, it's correct now. Very good. Another sentence. Tell me another sentence. My mom is cooking food for me. Okay. Now what about this sentence? Is it correct? Can you read the sentence? Yes, you can read because spaces are given in between the words, right? After each word, the space is given. But what is there which is missing? Is the sentence correctly written? No. What is missing? Yes, punctuation, capital letter and full stop. Right. So what should I do? My mom is cooking food for me. Okay, once the sentence is finished, we need to put a full stop and we have to start the sentence with a capital letter. Great. So this is how you write the sentence. You have to give space. You have to write this, start the sentence with capital letter and put it in a full stop at the end of the sentence. That's great, right? And if it is a question, what happens then? If it's a question, what happens? Then are you going to put a full stop? No, you are going to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So that means this was the part of your punctuation, that you have to start the sentence with a capital letter, leave spaces in between the words. After each word, you have to leave space, and then you have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. But if it is a question, you will put a question mark. Great. All right, now is the time for the class task, right? Okay, I want you to open page number 39 of your book and you do part A, which is spaces between words. It says spaces between words and it explains whatever I have explained to you just now. Now see, I am reading the question that these sentences are about the toys in the dictionary. Can you read them? Okay, then it makes that to make sentence easier to read, we leave spaces between words, right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. You have to rewrite them correctly in your notebooks. I'm giving you 7 minutes time and your time starts now. Time is up. Show me your work now. Okay. Aya, can you show me what you have written? Very good. You just have to leave spaces between the after each word. Correct. Very good. Good job. That means that it was very, very much clear to you that whatever we have learned in the class makes me very happy. Again, your teacher is very happy for you. Good. Okay. That was about the work today's task. Now, in wrapping up the session. Now, in wrapping, you are going to tell me what you have learned in one sentence. Okay? Whatever you have learned in the class, you are going to tell me in one sentence, starting from Neha. Yes, Neha. Can you just tell me what we have learned in one sentence? We have learned, again in one sentence, we have learned to give space in between after each word. Very good. We have learned to give space after each word. Anybody else have something else? We have learned about punctuation. Okay, this is also part of punctuation. We have learned to give space after each word whenever we are writing. And why do we give that? Because to make it easy for us to read. Wow, great job. All right, children. Okay, now see you in your science lesson. Hope you have understood. Do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. Okay, bye bye. See you in your science class.